So today in this video we are going to discuss about Alok Industries. So in the previous videos we have discussed about Suchi Soya as well as Ruchi Infra. So I also mentioned in the community section about Magma Fincorp. I told about Oswal Agro as well as Sanvaria when it was a trading that you can add in small quantities, and both of them have given the upper circuit. So what happened to Alok Industries exactly? So we'll try to find out what is the news which has come yesterday about this, and we'll also try to find out what we can do in this share. Okay, company is very good, nothing to worry about that, but only some operators are doing little bit of trading so that retailers will get panic and they will start selling so that they can earn profit. That's it. That is the simple phenomena of this particular stock, nothing more. Okay, again it will open, so we'll try to find out the levels where it can open again, and we'll see the overview. Okay, so when we see the news which has come yesterday night around 8 p.m., it was saying that Alok Industries to reduce long positions. So it was a news which has come in Money Control. It told that to reduce long positions in Alok because it has given huge massive returns, and it has given the resistances also for this particular company. So not to worry about this news. These type of newses are common. We know that in Money Control so many shares they will start telling, and they'll give targets as well as resistances. So should not focus on that. We should see the company's growth as well as the future. Okay, when we can see the companies into PP kits and is increasing its production, we also know that it has increased its workers almost. We can say that 10,000 extra employees have been added to this particular company, and also no salary and wages cuts have been done to any of the employees. So everything is going well for the company. Even after SEBI verification also, it has told that there is nothing wrong with the company, and also A grade has been given to the company. Only little bit of a, we can say, profit booking is happening in this company, and to panic the retailers, this is only the game. Okay, so we should not sell anything, just we need to hold this stock, okay, with high patience. Patience is what I was telling in my all the videos. Okay, so even if you see today's volume also, heavy volume was there at almost went to UC, again it has retraced and hit the what is a lower circuit. Okay, so many panicked and they started selling also in between. So if you see, market cap is almost 9,000 crores. In the previous videos also we have seen all the details of this company, and also we have seen that the 20 EMA is almost 43, and I told that it may open there, so you can do any sort of averaging or fresh investment. I told in the previous videos also. People who have watched, they know that. Okay, but that's why whenever you enter in these type of stocks, always enter in small quantities. Okay, when heavy trading happens, no, then we may lose a heavy amount. That's why we need to put small quantity. If for long term, then definitely you can sit back and relax. So we know the returns also, it has given excellent returns. We know that almost in 6 months also it is given 1300 returns, 1 year 1200, 1 month only 51, and 3 months 705, 1 week it is continuously. Now it has started a downtrend. Okay, now we'll try to see on charts. Okay, so this was the 20 EMA. So that was discussing in my previous videos also. I told that here some possible okay, opening may happen, and if you want to book some profit, or if you want to add in small quantity, you can do anything you want, and it had exactly happened that only. Today it has opened, and again the operators or someone who have did a little bit of trading, and again they panicked the retailers and they exited. And you can see the money flow index also, now it has gone to the oversold region, and let it wait for few 3-4 days, and definitely after falling more 3 to 4 rupees, then definitely again it will open. So you need to be ready, you need to add in dips. Okay, and add in small quantities, and don't at all panic. Okay, nothing will happen. Reliance is there with it, nothing, Reliance has not gone anywhere. Okay, major holdings are there with this company only. Even profits and everything are being reported. Even the company is also performing very well. So hold it and don't do any selling right now. Okay, so don't worry about the newses and everything also. These major operators they spread these types of news and try to panic the retailers. So that is what their hobby. So they do excessive trading. We see the market depth today also, almost today low and high was around 41 and 45. It has almost went to upper circuit also, and later again the heavy selling started by the operators. Almost now also around 1 crore shares are still left in the selling order. Okay, so only maximum retailers are still panicked, so don't worry, just keep in small quantity and hold it for long term. Okay, so this is all about Alok Industries, so don't worry about news and all, and watch the community section. Also, I'm updating all good shares only when they are opening the upper circuit or lower circuit. So if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, so subscribe the channel. So until then, take care, bye bye.